This little one stayed behind. He's still so curious. Watching Jem. Oh, now he's going away. Going away? Are you still watching? Well, Jem's getting a workout. Look at this. Oh my goodness, Jem. You're going to be exhausted. This little thing doesn't know. Oh. Keeps coming closer and closer to get a look at her. You're getting a workout, huh, Jem? Yes, you are.